Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So leo naenda kuonyesha my WhatsApp group pamoja na my signal service na how much people wanapata. So hili group special tunatumaga some motivations, lakini not only that tunatumaga some what is happening kwa ajili ya keep on updating, lakini pia tunatoa zile signals, news na everything kwa ajili ya kufanya not only kuwa not only uwe una gain kwa kufuata signals, lakini pia kwa ajili uwe unapata na knowledge kwa nini tuliingia hapo, kwa nini tukaingia hapa. So yeah, as you can see from yesterday tulitoa signal siku ya Euro USD, lakini tena tukatoa a lot of signals hapo, some what we gain and all those stuff. So utaona tulitoa eyes on the chart. I think this one was USD chef. Tuone, tutaenda kuziangalia hizi chart zote tuone how much zina perform sasa hivi. So yeah, USD card tuliweka and all those stuffs. Na hii ni leo kulikuwa kuna signal ya boom. I think picha imeload vibaya. Ni computer imefreeze. I think I'm not quite sure, lakini yeah, let's go to the chart and see what happened. So this was our fourth signal, lakini tulikuwa na hii signal HBPJP ya Bitcoin ambao tulisema this one will be the sell, lakini hii kikata, then this one will be our sell. What happened, market did ilitutoa hapa paka hapa. Obviously I think tulitake our position. Yeah, to take our profit. I don't know if people hold, na mimi watoleka break even, na mimi hivyo sina uhakika, lakini unfortunately leo kulikuwa kuna news, na utaona kwenye group nilikuwa naongea leo sana swala la news. Utaona leo nimesema it's better we stay, for us to stay out of USD today. Kwa sababu gani? Leo kulikuwa kuna news, ilikuwa ni saa 6. Kwa all currency tulizo trade ilikuwa ni GBP JPY, tumetrade USD JPY, yeah, tumetrade BTC and everything. So lakini zote tulizokuwa tuna trade za USD tulikuwa tunasema you can start selling USD, but remember we have news today, so ain't at your own risk. So leo USD zote tulizi trade, lakini tulikuwa tayari tushakuwa ready kwa anything. So let's go ahead and see what was our predictions. So tuachane na volatilities kwanza, tuanze kwanza na currencies za kawaida. We had USD chef. Utaona USD chef, we said we will buy there. So tuone USD chef what happened. So let's go and see what happened to USD chef. Tuanze na USD chef. As we can see, perfect there. Tuliingia pale USD chef and market, we are all the way up here up to now. This is nice. So first trade, it was nice taken, na tuko kwenye profit. Tulikuwa na nyingine ambayo ilikuwa ni GBP JPY, tulisema sell. Remember mimi nilichukua hii bila kuambia kwenye group, maana nilikamata soko na nilikuwa sina nalo uhakika sana, so sipendagi kuwapa watu. So after to reach this area here, tukaona yes, this is a good opportunity. So tukasubiri break, tukasema yes, now we have a full confirmation, now we can enter at this area. Utaona nilisema kwenye group like we can see GJ, we are looking to sell GJ, get ready for confirmation. Then nikasema now we have a confirmation, put your stop sell limits at this level. So tulisema weka sell limit, not to sell directly. So tukiangalia GJ, what happened? So market come back to our sell limit, open it and went all the way down here, then it's pulled back to this area, and now we are still in a sell. And this one in 1 hour, we are looking to hold it as long as to beat this level to somewhere around here. This itakuwa like head and shoulder. So we will see what will happen there. So the second trade, we were perfect, very perfect. Let's continue and see what happened again. So we had another position ambayo, this one was USD JPY. We had a USD JPY there. So tuangalie USD JPY what happened. kwenye USD JPY tulipata signal ya sell, I think. Yeah, so I think kwenye group tulisema you can start selling USD JPY. Remember, we have news on USD, so enter at your own risk. So we entered here, market did a good pullback, lakini kuweza kututoa kwa sababu we had a good risk to reward. Now market did go down as we predicted, and I think we will get out somewhere around here or here. So another trade which was perfect entry, as you can see, that was perfect entry. Let's see if we did another thing. Then tulikuwa tunaachana na hizi ni tulisema la tuongelea about Deriv at all. So zimefika ngapi kwenu? Mikwangu I got somewhere on here, so I don't know to them. Yeah, but here it was a perfect entry. Perfect entry. BTC, if we take it out, but ilitutoa na ikaenda pande wetu, so the news was our enemy. Na huu ni mfano bora wa one of my student. Huyu mwanafunzi huyu on Saturday alijiunga one month, and as you can see right now, tulikuwa tunaongea like as I asked kwamba how much was your capital, amesema now iko $30, lakini ilikuwa $11. So that is a good thing kwa mtu ambao ana mtaji mdogo kudeal na position kidogo. That risk management is the perfect thing. Hatutaki kuwa millionaires, tunachotaka ni kutengeneza consistent income day to day, ili baadaye ukianza kuingia position with big lots unakuwa na more confirmation na unakuwa more relaxed. So flip even this account will be a big deal. So yeah, that's it. Now that's how my group inavyoenda. For the next video tutaenda sasa kuangalia why did we trade here and why did we trade here. So for the next video, I think it will be an English version. Tutaongelea how we take this trade, lakini kwa wenzangu wa Swahili mtusipitie hizi chart tuone kwa nini tulisell. So as you can see, this market was a good uptrend, lakini ilipofika hapa it was a supply zone. Market ikarespect, ikashuka chini, market ikafika hapa, ili play around like this was a resistance, lakini ikabreak. So after break tukadetermine where is my supplies, tukaja kundua ndo supply kwa sababu ana fair value gap kubwa. So market ilivyo reach pale, then ika break this structure, tukasema now it's time to sell, lakini na to sell hapo tulisubiri market irudi, then we sell. Lakini tukiangalia Bitcoin, why did we sell? Tukiangalia tukuja kukuta market it was in a downtrend, then ikarudi juu, ikarespect for the first time, ikarudi ikarespect for the second time, then we entered here tukitarget chini, although ilitutoa, lakini this one was the perfect trade. Lakini for me, I catch up this trade again somewhere around here baada ya news, I think somewhere around here. So I re-entered again, lakini na mimi my student walikuwa washaweka break even. So yeah, that was it. Lakini pia tulikuwa na Euro USD, utaona nilikuwa nishaichora, lakini I think hii sikuwa hapa kwa sababu bado we are waiting the market to pull back to this area, then we go. So bado hii market hatuja execute. GBP USD, this one here, it came back to our supply area, it touched, then we are up. Like you can see, this was yesterday. So GBP JPY, kwa nini tulisell hapa? It was easy market play around, suddenly it break, then market will come back there. As you can see, market will break this structure, so we waited market irudi hapo, then we bought to here, na hapa ika break the structure. As you can see, even in 1 minute it break this structure, then it pull back, then we go. So that's it. Tukija kuangalia Audi JPY, hii bado, although this was a resistance here, we can get entries sasa hivi. Tukiangalia ki 1 hour tutakuja kugundua wa market is in like bearish, bullish, we can't even really care. But after this break of structure, we want the market to pull back here before we buy. So this market bado hatuja execute, lakini Audi chef, as you can see here, we have it. It was like this, market went going back and back. As you can see here, it break the structure, market pull back to here. You could enter here, but to kupata more confirmation tuliwait break here, karudi hapa, then we entered to there. So our Euro JPY, we are not in trade right now, but I think we will get in trade very soon if the market reach here. We are not so sure, and so on and so forth. Hii haijafika chini, na hisi hapo hujaona gold, kwa sababu gold tumeamua kuachana nayo kwa sababu sasa hivi haieleweki. So yeah, that's it guys, hope umeelewa. For the next video tutaenda kuelezea in depth this strategy, lakini kwa version ya Kiingereza, lakini hopefully this video imekusaidia. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.